Samwa kwa be Adom TV Badwam na o hye ne nkomo na media no mani ajeje ho se medical hwe ya pomodi mu no mesa wo nkomodi e fa ya nwumasua ho me wora Festus logmate mamuni ya facha papa odi no mwakwaba
me da say
odi no ye bone say
pacho ye bone Festus
logmate on the National Programs Manager, the Ghana National Education Campaign Coalition, and there anope ye no eba we din komonanki ye hwe Mrs. Benis Mpere Jache enim sanka obeka ye ho onyanka ye ho ne support no enso ewo echira ha na meni ni din komo itew medofo tie ni ye bibia ye nwumasua bia nso ya ye pay attention na entumi emwa ye na mama na kwa abaidie na onche ye wo Global Action Week bi ewo ho a eba so papa pacho dia
ya pacho me chiao ni utifo na as I start me pacho say me twin say that papa ti be kan kan ye abo
problem bra no kure
I say Ghana National Education Campaign Coalition juma dia ye ni say be hwe say akode bia oti oman mu be kusku
okay
anya quality education yeah in your interest is to any say and say that's inclusive education. Now global action week for education celebration week every year the observe education now nearby say your networky all interested civil society organizations, individuals, any professionals are omo agidi say and as omo agidi to say or say akodebia etimi enya quality education na ya then na ya together no then we demand from government to invest more into basic education. Now your focus on our tertiary level, that is every kg ecosi SHS. Yes, any TVET, that's pre-tertiary. And the honor your focus one now. We know jumadia a global campaign for education. Na global campaign for education simply put the global coalition for education. Na a global coalition for education there were regional coalitions. Africa the African regional coalition. ANSEFA, friend ANSEFA. Now ANSEFA is our membership across the region. And the membership our various countries. There were national coalitions. Now our Ghana the national coalition our Ghana the Ghana National Education Campaign Coalition. And the Jumadia and Sebesha Sakure Biabekus 20 Sa wiki the two the observe the year activities. Just to sensitize the public, also demand from government, say government invest more into the education sector. Yeah, sure, we still have a lot of issues in the sector. Those say, a woman say, about airborne home modern. Now, so no, Jumadianos, say, yes, sir, intimidate. As I don't share school feeding programs here, yeah, they are in here, my uncle, but uncle ye.
Ebanu mo ka nti aduan no mo nya mankure na wiase wo ye furu ye mtia ye chiro bibia be ko
David we are talking about quality education and this akwa na ndidi na come dinner e dey na ultimate na class etimi sua de emane koyi na even the capitation grant I say head teachers edi run schools here capitation grant so emba on time
last week or two. See a story be about it. Teachers na head teachers na bobosia ebi mode wo musika ye. Me we was say aban na was what de ba. On farmer and head teacher intimate na ho nka se o aban ne farmer nti ye nkoto chalk ye nkoto marker na say ye nkoto see. Nti a problem. But man na aso.
But is that the bed in Dudro na there are two teachers ni head teachers no so. Na say wo hwa capitation grant na nkasampo no enso dida and so dida after the na embakra because we share but how about when say awufo also almost omode omho ejim because government bet me but government don't mean nyina na ye so hia say or say awufo almost omode omho shame say as a parent you have the responsibility to provide to support government to provide quality education for your child but or how about when say free education, no say na defining no. Na media ya na me ka say or say aban etimi and define free education no na awofo entimi entiasie say enye bibia na aban ebetimi aye enye bibia na e free no mu so mu hwe bibia omo be de omo be fit in esan say me kai say as a coalition ye research be on this capitation grant some years ago so around 2014 now who say a capitation grant no it only solves about 68% of the cost of running the school. And it's not 32% now can why can na or say what I say na say timima awofo etiase say aban ebone homode na so ntimi enye ni nyina na mo so mo agya to mo say not just 32% so idea or say so etimi ye edi boa yen ma because nkola na ye ma that chombe dani de pa ebe abua o mine no enti say aban or say or invest more no you see or say awofo so we am there
na ye sha ase adanse say na week activities ni to say
this week na ye launch program na nkasa globally no start ende na in Ghana here no ye start ochina na launch no ebe course wo that hall near the Accra Workers College na ebe launch no ye launch ni hwia as a coalition no ye were chapters across all the 16 regions of the country and all the regional chapters no be various activities to observe the day.
Yo nti sa ne plan ba dey ya wakeka ka challenge this ni bidie nti wo hwe pre-tertiary education ho nso a omo problem ne pa no ye dey
wo hwe sesi ano no infrastructure school dining we are talking about inclusive education. Sesi ano inclusivity is the way to go, but wo hwe school dining be pray ho na still no it is not inclusive enough. It doesn't respond to the needs of all children in school. Now we are demanding say to me more na invest more into the inclusive education policy. Now the adebakwaya na meta ekane say school dine and I say see abonsan na say you provide this staircase. Menjin this sebi make kura metimi afro. Oh na say you decide say ye staircase in kwa na say be ye binum su efrem na say be mu say ye forget even and I say ye staircase na efrem na provide only ramps metimi afro obi a say be our challenge and also metimi afro na say inclusivity is really the way to go na say ye ni sana and na say we are involving and including everybody.
Wow. Did any person achieve at the end of the day?
Yeah, at the end of the day, no, one, per se, who say, I investing more into the sector to solve some of these problems that are currently happening. Miss Dika Kai, your feeding program, they say, or how, and a capitation grant, issue, who call infrastructure to call some of the areas now. We don't even have desk for children to sit and learn. Classroom and so you lock because you entry awake and they say no cry gusu Asian deal would yase. It is there's overcrowding in the classroom. And funny say your community, now say you only one school in this community. Now school our community. Who crowd about who didn't school, but school no now already the classroom is already overcrowded. Not just automatically no. Meanwhile, you can't deny any child access. Well, and you see, by the end of the week, who say who signals say some problems here cause we through and I minimize these problems. When it comes to these our deprived communities, hard to reach communities, we call some of these areas. Now, you need teachers, professional teachers. Because of the environment.
Teacher, they know they watch it. Education, they are more human.
It is money, rural communities, they had to reach community boni bena omoaye obonye boni all set me bomode na omo so no yet be bo omo ma omo receive education na eba ne sa na ebe bua ye nyina no kwa na ebe ma yakoye ni
sa ye bom paye said ye mo kan de wura mo boy aban bete no obi aye na said ye so education ne so
nyame nti omo bete na megide say omo di your recommendations ne bi so etimi eye djuma yes na at the pabako any say normally no ye a lot of research activities now ye research is now yetimi emiti the first point of contact is the Ministry of Education. Yes, share our research findings with them, and so far no I mean they have always accepted some of these findings and they try to work with the findings. Sometimes, every year, annually, the Education Ministry organizes what we refer to as the National Education Week. On that platform, so they are now as CSOs, on behalf of all CSOs in Ghana into education, we present a position paper to government, and they have always considered our recommendations in our position paper. Because it is not to try to make government unpopular, but it is to complement the effort of government in identifying the problems and then getting them solved. Festus Logmante, a national program manager, Ghana National Education Coalition, Campaign Coalition, and the day and Comono.